Advantages of trees. Trees are the biggest and longest living species on the earth. What are the basic requirements to be alive for all living things? Obviously, we need oxygen to breathe. The other necessities like food to eat, fuel to burn, and a healthy environment to live in are also required. From where do all these things come from? Nature gifted us many things due to which we are living on this planet. In the era of artificial things, let's have a look at the ultimate natural source. Today, we will discuss the importance of trees in our life. Trees are the natural source of oxygen due to which we are alive. Most of the tools for shelter are provided by trees. Trees are responsible for binding the soil and protecting it from soil erosion. Trees are responsible for purifying the air. Trees provide us shade and also protect us from unwanted solar radiation. Trees are an important factor to reduce global warming as they consume carbon. Trees are the natural warrior of floods, landslides, etc. Trees provide habitat to many wildlife. Trees also help in controlling pollution. Trees monitor the wind, rain, and heat and therefore regulate climate change. Dry leaves of trees act as good compost. Trees also contribute to a balanced ecosystem, giving a healthy lifestyle to humans. The freshness and greenery of trees serve as a stress remover. Trees and their products are a good source of earnings for many humans. The major source of living like foods are trees. Relying on trees also helps in conserving energy. No life on the earth is possible without trees. We are blessed to be gifted by the nature with its superior gift, that is, trees. Trees are an essential part of our living. Due to many greedy purposes, people are cutting trees, leading to deforestation. They are blindly cutting trees for today's profit by forgetting the future harm. The future without trees would be dangerous, not only for humans but also for other living things. Although governments are taking steps to control deforestation, it is high time when we all need to come forward and save trees. After knowing the advantages of trees, come let's plant a tree together. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel.